Alright guys, so we're almost done. I'm trying to see what she's spraying. What's that?
Spray para, spray para el pelo, este es muy bueno para que brillen los globos.
So this is our hairspray to make the balloon shine.
Shine.
So this is what she's doing. She's just adding some hairspray, make those balloons shine so they can pop out a little bit. And yeah, they're almost done, guys. This is the final result. The only thing they have to do now is they're gonna go ahead and put the cupcakes and all the sweet desserts, and then that's it. All right, check it out. That's the hairspray. Got to be glued. Blasting free spray. All right. And like she said, this is just to make it shine. Let me see if I can turn the flash on. Just to make it shine. There you go. All right.